I'm going to need my Haitian people to stop begging. I need Haitians in Haiti to stop begging. I need the Haitian diaspora to stop begging. Right now, everywhere we go as Haitians, people look at us like we are poor, desperate people, while we, the Haitian nation, we keep continuously bringing the USA out of financial depravity. We keep being a handout for the rich war makers of the world. And our image, what they do with our image is they tint our image. They destroy our image. C'est dénigrer nous dehors. As a Haitian woman, many times when I speak to people, they say to me, I'm sorry, I'm so glad you had to leave Haiti. I'm tired of it. I need Haitian people to stop begging. If you have to go back to the countryside to plant the corn and to plant the rice again, I need you to do that. Because you have people like Bill Clinton, Hillary Clinton, you have people like those people who do not hesitate to take your disaster and to turn it into a business. And you have Haitians who help, and you have Haitians who aid. I need you Haitians to stop begging. Pour qui ça va péder? Marché fait mendiant partout dans sous la terre bénie. Okay, et puis qui ça joindre? What do Haitians get when they keep begging? You had an earthquake in 2010. You were beggars then, and you still did not get any type of concrete national relief. You have a bunch of Haitians who made out good, and you have Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton and the Haiti, what do they call it, the Clinton Haiti Fund. You have those people, they did really well. But you, Haïtiens qui vivent en Haïti, Haïtiens diaspora qui souffrent, qui participent pour aider Haïtiens vivre, we did not get a piece of nothing from that. $16 million, I never touched 1 cent, how? Okay, I need Haitians to stop begging. I need you, Haitians, suspend fait mendiant. C'est pas ou même qui nation mendiant. Regardez histoire par nous même comme Haïtiens. We are not that. Okay? We've been giving financial handouts to this country for too long. In 2010, we pulled them out of a depression. Okay, and now that they need money for this election, here we go again with another disaster, and Haitians are playing the role of beggars. Again, I need you Haitians to stop begging. You're pissing me off. Because when I go and I introduce myself as a Haitian, you want me to stop introducing myself as a Haitian? Is that what the motive is here? So I could be so embarrassed that I would be like, I'm Dominican. Never! Pour m'ta marcher pour m'abdi m'se Dominican. Seigneur! Oh, l'Éternel, moun sa a besoin de faire souffrir toujours. How much more can I take of this suffering? And it's you Haitians who create my suffering by the things that you agree to do, by the things that you agree to participate in. There are still Haitians who are franc Haitians like me, and we do not agree with this begging mentality. We do not participate in the image of those beggars. And I'm telling you, any project that I've ever done in Haiti, it came out of my pocket. And I've had friends who would give me $40, $50 every now and then. It'd be like a few of them. But those projects, I make sure that I fund them so that I do not participate in this begging system. It's becoming a system, and you know who the victim is? It's you, Haitians, in Haiti and in the diaspora, because pretty soon you won't even be able to walk around with your face. C'est couvre nous pas le couvrir le visage nous. Parce que toute partie dans la terre bénie, y a prélé nous mendiants, suspend faire mendiants. Stop begging, my Haitian people. You have a nation full of resources. Keep what you got. Keep what you got. Salvage what you got. Because partout dans le monde, les mendiants, les criminels, vraiment mendiants, vrais criminels, c'est la car où y a venu pour venir déchapper. Et puis après, y a marché dénigré, y a marché sale, non. I'm tired of this begging attitude. That is not what my ancestors fought for. And if you're going to take down my ancestors' image, if you're going to make my ancestors les héros de l'indépendance, the heroes of the American independence, and we're not talking about America, Haiti. We're talking about the whole entire American continent, from North to South America, the heroes, the real heroes of this independence, of this nation, of this profiteering 21st century motivation. If you're going to make them look like shit, I won't participate. You will not have my participation. You will not have my commentary. You will not have my strength. You will not have you will not have my association. I will not associate with things like that. I will not associate with you. But I will keep being Haitian. You decide what the hell you want to be next, because you will not stop me from claiming my nationality, my ancestry, my heritage. Hispaniola is my heritage. In 1823, you cut a big chop of that, and you called it Dominicani. It became an enemy state because you kept profiteering your bloodline to make us look bad, to turn us into a people with no land, into a people with no wealth. While you take these people who are lighter skins and you keep popping up their mentals with systematic slave BS. Haitians, you need to stop begging and mind what you got. You got a lot. Stop begging around the world. And I'm tired of it. This is like a pissed off message, okay? I don't care what your response is, okay? You need to stop begging because you're making me look awful bad right now.